Maybach S-Class production begins inside ultra-precision facilities, engineered for absolute luxury and manufacturing discipline.
Structural materials are selected to balance safety, isolation, and flagship ride comfort.
Controlled material flow sustains uninterrupted ultra-luxury vehicle production. Material flatness directly influences exterior surface perfection.
Precision stamping shapes panels designed for elegance and structural integrity.
Parallel operations support flagship production scale without sacrificing accuracy.
Automated handling protects surface quality for premium finishing. Continuous movement eliminates disturbance in high-value manufacturing.
Spacious layouts allow exceptional control over body geometry.
Automated alignment guarantees perfect proportions for luxury sedans.
Hybrid joining creates rigid yet quiet body structures.
Deliberate movement preserves dimensional accuracy. Digital measurement validates tolerances beyond standard luxury vehicles.
Real-time analysis stabilizes ultra-precision production.
Surface preparation ensures long-term corrosion resistance.
Chemical layers prepare bodies for flawless paint adhesion. Electrocoating seals internal cavities critical for silence and durability. Thermal curing preserves geometry and coating integrity. Prepared surfaces advance toward exterior refinement.
Paint application emphasizes depth, richness, and exclusivity. Automation ensures flawless consistency across luxury finishes.
Clear coating protects surfaces against time and environment.
Slow curing enhances gloss stability and surface perfection.
Final assembly integrates craftsmanship with advanced automation. Electrical systems support comfort, safety, and digital luxury. Pre-assembled modules ensure precision fit and finish.
Acoustic engineering defines the Maybach cabin experience.
Seating systems prioritize long-distance comfort and isolation. Door modules integrate electronics, insulation, and trim seamlessly. Body and chassis integration defines ride serenity.
Powertrain integration balances effortless power with silence.
Suspension systems deliver floating ride comfort.
Braking capability matches vehicle mass with controlled deceleration. Exhaust systems are engineered for near-silent operation. Rolling components complete stance and refinement. Mechanical systems are activated with strict volume control.
Initial activation verifies system harmony.
Interior materials express handcrafted luxury.
Roof systems enhance openness without compromising silence.
Dynamic testing validates ride smoothness.
Weather resistance is validated thoroughly. Alignment ensures straight-line serenity. Presentation preparation completes manufacturing.
Drying ensures flawless delivery condition.
Completed vehicles represent ultra-luxury realized. Each Maybach carries a unique production identity.
Surface protection preserves perfection during logistics. Controlled logistics safeguard premium automobiles. Finished sedans begin global delivery. Ultra-luxury manufacturing operates without interruption. Digital oversight sustains manufacturing excellence. Space reflects deliberate, ultra-luxury production. Engineering and craftsmanship converge into ultimate luxury sedans.
Internal logistics preserve calm production rhythm.
Preventive maintenance protects assembly accuracy.
Precision manufacturing remains continuous.
Vehicles remain protected until release.
Documentation completes the manufacturing cycle. Delivery follows the same precision as assembly.
Production never pauses for luxury vehicles.
Factory design supports ultra-precision at scale.
The result reflects German luxury mastery.
Brand standards are verified before delivery. Global logistics planning begins inside the factory.
Interior preservation matches exterior standards.
Transport conditions protect luxury quality.
Vehicles leave production in perfect condition.
Data reinforces manufacturing excellence.
Presence and proportion define the final result.
Precision governs every movement.
Output reflects restrained exclusivity. Uniformity reflects absolute control. Engineering discipline transforms materials into the pinnacle of luxury sedans.
Inside the factory where the Maybach S-Class is built as the ultimate expression of modern automotive luxury.